Hello, everyone. I'm going to wait for a few people to hop on here. Let me know if you're here. I'm Dr. Vandna Jerath. I'm an OBGYN physician at Optima Women's Healthcare in Parker, Colorado. So please say hello if you're on the broadcast tonight. Okay, so today what I want to talk about are 5 reasons to get a second opinion. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Jonesy. I'm going to talk about 5 reasons to get a second opinion about your health. So how many times have you been to the doctor and feel like you left not quite knowing what you need to do or how to make a decision? Thanks for the love. Thanks for the hearts. Feel free to share this broadcast as well. You can swipe up or swipe to the right. And if you get value from it, please tell your friends about it so they can take a listen to the replay later. I didn't get to see who that was that just joined us, but hopefully we'll hear from you again. But please say hello. So anyway, I want to talk about 5 reasons to get a second opinion about your health. So when you go to the doctor or your healthcare provider, you often wonder, when you leave, did I make the right decision? Did I get all the information that I needed? So I want to talk about reasons why you should, thanks, Kristen, you should get a second opinion. So number 1 is if you have to make a major medical decision. So that's something like a surgery, a major surgery like a hysterectomy or a colectomy or some type of major surgery, and you want to figure out if that's the right thing to do. Something else would be like a risky or toxic drug if you need to take something like that, or are going to be a part of an experimental protocol, or are going to get a cancer treatment. So those are all things that we consider major medical decisions. So if you have to make a major medical decision, it's very reasonable to get 1 or 2 or even 3 opinions. So that would make sense to do that. So it's reasonable to talk to different healthcare providers or different doctors to get those opinions. Okay, so the next one is to have, if you want to hear about alternative approaches or treatments for a condition. So sometimes your doctor might not be willing to discuss different reasons or different alternatives to have a certain type of treatment. So if you want to hear kind of a broader options, broader alternatives, then it's a good idea to get a second opinion. Now, number 3 is if you don't feel like your healthcare provider is giving you all your options and you can't make a fully informed decision. So if your doctor or your healthcare provider is only giving you a specific recommendation and they're sticking with that and they can't provide any research or backup alternatives or give you some options, then that might not be the right option for you. So you may want to get a second opinion in that situation as well. And then number 4 is if your healthcare provider is not listening to your questions or concerns. If you're asking different questions, you're asking different, things that you want answered, and they're not listening or answering that for you, then it might be time to get a second opinion as well. And then number 5 is something doesn't feel right in your gut. So if something doesn't feel right in your gut, then you absolutely should get a second opinion. And it doesn't mean you can't come back to your original healthcare provider or doctor. I often have patients that go get second opinions and then come back to see me, and I'm not offended. I think that's their right, and I think it's appropriate for them to be able to do that. So don't ever feel like you can't do that, and you should be able to talk to your doctor freely about that, and you should have a good relationship with them to be able to do that. So I was recently interviewed by Immunohealth about this same topic, so I thought it'd be a good topic to share with all of you. And, you're always welcome to let me know what topics you're interested in hearing more about. So until my next scope, I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.